My beautiful hair friends, this is Carson, and look at all this gorgeous natural red hair. I mean, gorgeous. But she's like, I am sick of it. Cut it off. I said, well, do you want to donate it? And she said, for sure, if there's enough. And I said, awesome. So let's chop it off. So we did. She wanted it about shoulder length. So we went ahead and we are going to donate that hair to Wigs for Kids to my friend Elyse. I'm going to see her at the hair show this weekend. And we really talked about doing a straight cut, but as I started cutting it, I said, girl, look at all these curls you have. So I said, we're doing this curly. And she's like, awesome. I'm totally down to wear my hair more natural. And I said, okay, great. So I started doing this like curly cut on her, just getting in there and creating all kinds of texture. She had a metric ton of hair, so much hair. So I went in with my Weed Add moisturizing gel and I separated the pieces. And I did the little roly finger thing, which is, kind of different. And then just letting those curls fall. And then I diffused her and I just kind of let the hair sit there. And then I flipped her over and shaked it out. And then I just cut a couple pieces. She flipped it back. She was like, whoa, holy cats. Look at all that hair. Absolutely. Look at those curls and the volume she got. She was like, girl, I've never seen my hair like this. And she was so sassy. She was feeling it. She was like, yes, girl, I wanted a new look and I totally got it. Guys, I'm embracing this curly hair and I love it.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.